Well, look at these guys. I don't know if you can see the bottom one, but anyway, good morning. How's it going? It's going pretty good over here. Today's the day I was telling you about. Oh, before that, a little bit of housekeeping. Do you know that, according to my dashboard, 54% of you goons out there keep swimming by the channel. You keep swimming by, watching the stuff, but you never subscribe. Do you realize that we can go from a meager 1,900 subscribers to a paltry, I don't know, say 2,500, 2,600 perhaps? If you guys would just hit the subscribe button, why don't you do that? I'm not going to spam you. You don't need to hit the notification bell. Anyway, today's the day I was telling you about. I have 2 boxes of parts from this gentleman, just unbelievably generous, just absurdly generous guy. I'm gonna pump his channel when I get into the, he doesn't really have a channel, but I'm gonna give him a shout out when I get into these boxes back here. But today's the day when I resume work on that 62 Tremolux. And then also I need to meet a guy and pick up his 70s Princeton reverb. So that'll be super cool. So why don't we break into these boxes and see what's cooking. Okay, so I opened the box, but I didn't dig into it yet. I don't know all that's in here. So I feel guilty for accepting this. But I did, didn't I? Because you're an incredibly kind guy, and I'm gonna pay it forward with this stuff. And I just can't tell you how much it means to me that that you like or believe in the channel enough and what I'm doing over here to bless me to this magnitude. It's just unbelievably kind of you. Thank you so much. My 2 boys were like, were astounded. But anyway, we're gonna talk about your chewy treats here at some point, buddy. Yes, I do have questions. And I had the weirdest combination of things on the desk. I had to clear it away before the beginning of the video. Oh my God. I'm just looking at the stuff. I had a pair of underwear and a hammer. One of those stubby hammers lying next to each other. It was clean underwear, come on. But I just thought it was a comical combination of things. But oh my God, dude, my eyes are just acclimating. Dude, it's like you know me. These chopsticks. Dude, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. My God. I gave away my favorite chopsticks to an illustrator that I was fond of his work on Instagram several years ago, and I could never replace them. They had like a little dragon on them, or a big dragon. And it's just funny how karma or spiritual reciprocity, depending on which way you lean, how that works out, isn't it? So cool. Wow, do we even have a place for all that? You packed this so well. Oh, dude, I always need these. I see some Belton type sockets in here. And then there's more. These octals. Holy cow, man. Oh my gosh. I gotta open up. I need a sub box just to parse through this stuff. Some shields and some more sockets. This is so kind of you. Some noble sockets and shields. Oh my gosh, man. What? And then you labeled these old orange drops, I'm sorry. Man, you didn't even have to do that. I was gonna throw them on a meter. So kind of you. These will go to good use. I can't believe you've done this. Holy cow. Thank you so much. So kind, thank you. Some old Adams, huh? Look at these guys. I'll check these guys out. We'll throw them on a meter and see if they're leaky. And I'll do that with all the caps. Always need these. Oh my gosh, man. I always need these little pancake jacks. These are great caps. Yeah, these Nichicons. These are great caps. Thank you. 0.01s, beautiful. Always need those guys. So kind of you, man. Ruh-roh. That's okay. So kind of you, man. I just so appreciate it. Maybe we can test these. That would be interesting to test these old Illinois caps, since these are kind of notorious. But we'll test them. We're going to push them and see what they do. That's for another day, though. Some more shields and the bases for those novels. Some amp corners and some more sockets. Yeah, the bases, the bayonet bases. Wow. What is this? Aeromat. Holy cow. Relay heaven. Oh my gosh. Aeromat. Holy cow. I'm honestly, I always need these as well. You're a madman. Gosh. Wow. These little grill cloth samples? How cool is that? Little grill cloth samples. That's so cool. You were up to some really unique work, some interesting work. MagnaCraft. Sockets. What kind of sockets are these? Wow. Oh, I know what these are. Look how cool that is. That is so cool. That's so cool. Thank you. Oh my gosh. You were doing some interesting work. Nice. Not sure what these are, and I feel like a fool. I'm going to ask you about these. Some silicon rings. Fan parts. Wow, those are filters. Are those filters? Yeah. Yeah, they're filters. Yeah, these are filters. Wow. It's more grill cloth material. That's so cool. That is so cool. Thank you. Holy cow. That is so cool of you. Wow. You know what? Let me grab the other one. All right. The guy's name is Dave James, and he runs a company called James Musical Products. So just check him out. I'll find some. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are for heat dissipation. It's not a filter. Wow. 6v6, a Softtech. Sounds good. These are for heat dissipation. How clever is that? A lot of surface area with the bins there, arrayed like that. I don't even know what to say or where to start, Dave. I see a lot of 6V6s, 6L6GCs, some 5V3s, some of my favorite. These are some of my favorite rectifiers. These are new old stock. Thank you. 5881 WXTs, a 5AU4. Super cool. Bunch of 6L6s. More Sovtech stuff. Wow. Yeah. I can test that out for you. Oh my gosh, dude. So kind of you. So kind of you. Why would you do this for me? I'm a nobody. Why would you do this for me? Thank you. Some old Svetlanas. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? SV83s. 6BA6, 12ATW7, 12AZ7As, AX7WBs. Old Sylvania stuff here. 12AT7. Dude, I am beside myself. And there's just, the more I look through it, the more I see. It's this guy. It's a big, gnarly guy. 5V4G. My gosh, dude. What have you done? Thank you, man. I just... Are you kidding me? 1940s ham, looks like maybe some ham radio stuff. Oh, an organ. Holy cow. Some Kinrad stuff. How cool is that? .5U4GB. Oh my gosh, dude. Look, Dave. The Phillips Holland. Are you kidding me? 12AX7. I don't know what to say, man. I know you wanted these to go to a good home and all, but I'm just completely overwhelmed, and I just can't express how grateful I am. So thank you so much. And I hope you guys swim by his info down there and take a look at what he does, because it's super cool. I'll see you guys soon.